Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a very messy kitchen right here. Like you guys, this kitchen is so messy, so let's just get into this cleaning. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ada and I am a Nigerian family. We are a Nigerian family living in the United States. So today I'm bringing another cleaning video. Today I'll be cleaning this messy kitchen. This is a real life mess, you guys. This is a real life mess. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, of course you're welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I will just be cleaning this, and I will definitely leave this to keep going. I hope this also motivates you to get up and clean your house, because I know it can be a really, like you guys, I know how tiring this can be, I know how stressful it can be, but then just get up and clean your house. You will be glad you did. Honestly, you'll be glad you did. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me the video, any videos, leave your video suggestions in the comment section. Tell me what the next video you would like to see, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. I posted a clean with me video. Of course, it's on my channel. You can, and I'll also put the link anywhere up there or down in the description box down below, so you can check that out. And I noticed you guys really enjoyed that video, and I decided to keep putting out cleaning videos. So please leave your video suggestions in the comments down below, because that also helps me to give you guys what you want to watch, okay, if that makes sense. Yeah, that helps me to put out more videos, more content that you would love to see. And if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as that helps my channel, that helps other people to find my channel and to watch my videos, and of course that helps my YouTube channel, so and my YouTube growth. So please do give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments, and if you can share it, I will really appreciate that. Do go ahead and share it. So you guys, this is what I got from the dollar store. I got this and I use it for my microwave. I spray it all over my microwave, inside, like I spray it in the microwave and I close it and leave it for a while. By the time you come back, all the dirt would have been coming off already. You don't even need to stress too much to clean it up. So I always tell you guys what I get from the dollar store, that I get all my cleaning supplies from the dollar store. And this is the baking soda. Using a baking soda makes your sink shine. You guys, try this out and get back to me. Try this out and tell me your results. So I pour a baking soda all over my sink. It removes, you don't even see those dirt, but by the time you pour a baking soda on it, that is when all the dirt start coming off. You start seeing them dirt that you did not even realize they were there. So baking soda is another cleaning supply, and if you don't know, you can pour baking soda, kills odor, it removes all odor and every smell in your home. So the baking soda is another good thing. If you don't know today, just try it out and thank me later. This baking soda makes my sink shine oh god, you guys, you don't know. Just try it out and just tell me what you think about it. I hope you guys can already see the difference. Like, look at how that sink is glowing. Look at how my sink is shining. You can feel it. Like, look at that, guys, my sexy sink. Look at that, guys. Look at how it's glowing and shining. So after that, I do go back to my microwave, and then I clean up the microwave. By then, everything has, the thing that I sprayed in it has already done its work. So I'm now cleaning everything off, and it's easier, way more easier to clean off, and it makes it, I already have a white microwave, so I'm always very cautious of it. I just clean up almost every day. Like, I clean up almost every day. Yeah, that's how I clean it, because it's white. If you've gotten to this point and you're still watching this video, please and please and please click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post the next video, you don't miss any upload from me, guys. So please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate that. I'm really growing this small channel of mine. So after that, my pantry was looking a little bit messy, so I went ahead to arrange the food, the grocery that I got. So as you guys know, this was what my kitchen was looking like before. You guys saw that. Like, look at that, guys. Look at all that mess. Look at all that mess, you guys. This was what my kitchen was looking like, and boom, look at that. Oh gosh, this is magic. This is real life magic right here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you really do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, do give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family so they can enjoy it too and find the motivation to clean their own home. You guys, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. If that button is still red, it means you haven't subscribed. So click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time I post a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.